to my YouTube channel. Our given question point 3, read as follow: the cross section of a dam wall shown in figure 1 has the parabolic shape. The turning point of a parabolic O dam, or we've given there it's O. The depth of water H is equal to 32. The axis of parabolic vertical is 8 from the wall surface at the water level. Calculate the resultant force of the dam wall in Newton meter length of the wall, right? If given in Newton meter wall of the length, the inclination of the resultant to the vertical, and the distance O, and the distance from O, where the line of action will cut the horizontal line OP. The center of the area of the half parabolic section water is 3 meters from the vertical through O. So that is what we have given. Everything that they've told about is what is depicted on the structure. Everything they are talking about is depicted there. So we know this is water. All right, we should calculate the resultant and then the direction, all of that. Okay, we know supposed to find first the horizontal component. The horizontal component, you know, is given by density multiplied by gravity multiplied by area and by y bar. All right, the density, since it's water, it's 1000 multiplied by gravity 9.81 multiplied by the area. All right, horizontal area. The area, when on the horizontal part, the area, we have said that the area will be what? Will be our y multiplied by what? By 1. By width. Actually, it's width, but the width, they said we should take width as a 1 per. It's a 1 per what? Per. It's 1 meter per width. There will be 1. The width will be what? We'll take width as a 1, because they've told us like that. So we'll be multiply this by what? By 1. So what is y? Given there, we know y is the same as h, guys. Whereby is this one there, which is 32. All right. So this will be 32 multiplied by 1, same as 32. All right. So yeah. So multiply, our area will be 32 multiplied by y bar. Y bar is equals to y divided by 2. And then y is what is 32 divided by 2. So we multiply by that. So you come here, will be 32 divided by what? By 2. Therefore, our horizontal components will be 5022, 720 kilopascal. All right, it's given there in our, we have that. Sorry, kilonewton cannot be in pascal. Oh yeah, it's in kilopascal. Sorry guys, oh, it must be in kilonewtons there. This is a force, isn't it? Oh, kilonewton, I don't know why I wrote kilopascal, but kilonewton, because this is simply just a force. Kilonewton, it's a force either way, isn't it? Force is, it's a force. Kilonewton, that is what we have there. All right, then let's find again the vertical component. We know the vertical component is given by density also multiplied by gravity multiplied by volume. All right, we know that the density is 1000, the gravity is 9.81. Now let's check about the volume. Volume is area multiplied by what? By width, or the length there, multiplied by the length or width. We'll take that as what? As 1, because we said we should take that as what? As 1, length or width. All right, so the length, will take the length as width S1. We know that the area, now the area for vertical, we'll use this is 3 over 2 x multiplied by 1. The area. Where it's our x, here it's our x, it's a width, is this one, guys, the guy that I want to say that it's 8. Our y is 31, by here is written by h. Here they say it's h there. Also we have that there. So we have 32 and 8. So we have this 3 over, so that not, oh sorry, must be 2 over 3. This is supposed to be 2 over 3. We have 2 over 3. We have the 3. We have there our 8. X is 8 multiplied by y, whereby is 32. Also we exclude that 1. So this it will be our volume. So we can plug everything there, same time, and punch this one time. So we know this is the volume. Will be 2 over 3 into 8 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 1. So vertical component, there will be 1674,24 kilopascal. Alright, now the resultant, we'll use Pythagoras. We know we have h squared horizontal component and the vertical component square. Either way, if you want, you can write like this. Forces, you can indicate like this. You can use F like this, there's no problem. Right, we have our square root. The horizontal component, it was 5022,720 squared plus horizontal. Vertical, it was 1674,40 squared. Then if we square, we'll get our resultant to be 5294,412 kilonewton. Now let's find the resultant, or the inclination will be tan theta inverse horizontal divided by vertical component. Tan depth is 5022,720 divided by 16740,240. Then we'll have our inclination. Punching that, tan fact 5022,720 1674,4 we'll have 71,57 degrees. Then what do they want again? They want us to determine the vertical distance through O until Y. Alright, okay. By the way, we have a triangle somewhere here. Where? We have a triangle there. We want what? Q to distance Q to O. We want this distance again, Q to O there. So we have the triangle there. If you can check, we want this distance We have a triangle there, and then we know that it's B here. So B, and then this one it's A, like that. Okay. Using that, we can simply use here, since this will be our triangle. This, by the way, it's here. This point, it is here, exactly there. We have B here, we have our A, we have our A here. Using the triangle there, we have A, there we have B. Using this triangle, we have it. We know that we can use tan. Opposite of adjacent is tan. All right, so tan, can say tan. Tan, we have the tan, it is what? Here we have tan theta will be equals to opposite over that, which is B over A, from our triangle there that I've shown you. But now we know that tan, the angle there is 71,5. 71 we did calculate. We want what now? Let's check what we have there. The value of A. How can I get the value of A? The value of A, we can get A from here. We see that H is like this, but this distance from there is this. So A will be equals to H minus H bar. There we've given what? H bar. So we have there 32. We have 32 minus 2 over 3 H, which is 32. So we'll have what? A, if you can see there, because H is all over this distance, minus that piece, we'll left it with H. Using that, let's find the value of what? Of A. This will be 10,6 6, maybe you can say 7 meter. So we have the value of A there. So this will be B over 10,667. Then let us get B. You multiply, there will be 10,667 multiplied by tan 71,5 7 of 1,7,157. Then punching this, getting that B. Therefore B will be what? 10,667 times tan 71, 57. This will be 32,01 meter.